This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release latch located under the steering wheel. Release the hood safety latch and raise the hood. Release the clamp that secures the two halves of the air filter housing together. Then separate the cover halves and remove the air filter element. Place the new filter into the housing, making sure it seats properly. Secure the two halves of the filter housing together. Then secure the clamp.